Welcome back to our new video guys. Today I'm going to tell you about pin password setting in Technophone guys. How can you set pin password setting in Technophone? Guys, you want to set pin password setting in Technophone, so guys you can set. In this video guys I will show you how to set pin password setting in Technophone. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you're watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So guys now let's start video. First of all open your phone setting and guys click on security setting. Security, click here. Guys click on screen lock. Guys click on pin and guys next. So example guys I'm taking normal password 1234. Next 1234 and guys confirm. Done. So guys now you can see pin password has set it in our Technophone 1234. So I hope friends you have understood how to set pin password setting in Technophone and guys how to use pin password setting in Technophone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Now we will move to next video with new topic. Before guys please go and like and subscribe my channel.